All right, today, folks, we're going to be installing these LED lights, headlights, and I'll show you how to do the install. I just paid 15 bucks for these on eBay. You can find LED lights anywhere. Now, some people would normally start with this side over here, the passenger side, because it's the easiest to get to. But I'm going to go ahead and start over here on this side because I have to take this out anyway. All right, so to do this install, all you need to do is remove this bolt, and then you can lift this entire thing forward and get back here and get this one first. I also will undo this one just so I can take this entire piece apart. Overall, this should be a really quick and simple install, less than 20 minutes. It's going to take you longer to get this off and prying this cover that's on the back of this off than getting the bulb in there. So let's get to it. Okay, so for the headlight, you have to twist this. Give it a nice twist. Make sure you're going the right way. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. It's tough, so I'm gonna get that off real quick. Needed to give it a little bit of elbow grease. So once you get this off, don't lose the rubber thing around there because you'll need that. Make sure now the problem with these LED bulbs that I have here is that a lot of them don't fit all the way in. And even though these new bulbs, these are water resistant, waterproof, I still want to be able to put the cap back on. So we'll see how that works. Every other bulb that I've gotten, I wasn't able to put the cap back on. So I'll get it installed and we'll see. So here are the bulbs right here. They have like this, it's plug and play. So it's just this back part is the part where you have trouble sometimes getting it all the way in and closing the cap up. But it's just plug and play to the factory bulb. And this is what the bulb looks like. So let's get it turned on. And once you get the bulb out, don't touch this bulb with your hands. Set it aside. I'm gonna put those in a secure place and put them in the glove box. And this should just snap right in place and replace the factory bulb like this here. Boom, it just snaps right in place. And before you start putting it all back together, turn the lights on just to be sure. So let's go do that. So the bulb is working, as you can see. If you run into a situation with the bulb not working, switch to the other bulb. All right, so the bulb's installed, as you can see right back here. This is the back of the bulb. Now, again, that tough part is going to be getting this back on to see if it actually will go back on. So I'll do it real time here for you. And this is I'm doing this to set some expectation for people who might want to get this, and you want to seal yours off. So it looks like it probably won't fit on there. Let's see if I can force it in both hands. All right, folks, it actually works. So it fits perfectly fine. You just have these portions right here. You have to make sure that you get these out of the way and slide it into the correct way. But it's actually locked back in place. And then I'll show you the headlights are on. I heard a big snap and I was like, oh man, I broke something. But you can clearly see that's an LED light. And this is a halogen light. So let's get the other one installed. All right, the lights are in. I flipped the car around. You can see a better representation on here how white it actually is. Good 15 bucks. I like it. Anyway, there it is. LED headlights installed.